everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are safe and sound inside your house. As you can see that I'm in a full glam total makeup look. And I posted this look on so many Facebook groups, and almost 800 to 900 people liked it. Everybody was asking how I get this look. They all want a tutorial on this look, so for them I'm making it. So no more further blubbering, just jump into the video. So start with the makeup look. I have already prepped my face and done my eyebrows. I am using the Colorbar primer. This is pore filling primer, so I will use this because this is summer and we need pore filling primer. So just rubbing between my hands and the areas where I have pore issue or oil, and on the lids because my lids are really oily, and under the eyes because this area you can have fine lines and oiliness. Now I'm pressing it. This look is really very simple to create, nothing much. Okay, here I am using NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. I'm in the shade 12.5 Caramel Base, though it is a little bit dark, but it doesn't matter. When you are powdering your face, everything will just as you can see that it is a little bit dark. Oh my god, I just dropped it. It's okay. Now with the PAC 265 brush, foundation brush, I'm just buffing at the center, then I will drag it to the outer side. This foundation is really good. I'm doing very carefully because I already done my eyebrows. Now my base is done. I will just highlight my under eye little bit. Okay, this is Wet n Wild medium tawny. It is a little bit lighter, as you can see. First I will blend all the concealers, then I will go with my under eye area because that will provide more coverage. Now to set all of these, I'm using sugar banana powder. This powder is really good. I think I should go with the puff. This powder is really nice and finely melt, and more importantly the color is so good and it just sets your concealer so well. I'm setting my lid also because my T-zone is really oily and I want to as this is a really very sharp kind of look, So I went for so now it's time to give some color to your face. For that I'm using NYX bronzer in the shade tan. Oh my god, look at the color, I love this one. And with a fluffier brush, I'm not taking any smaller brush. I'm using this fluffier brush because I want that bronzy kind of look, and I don't want any strip kind of feeling, so that's why. Now we'll dust off. First I will do my face makeup, then I will go with my eye makeup. Blending is the main key of any base makeup, so please make sure that your blending is really proper. Now for eyes. Okay, I'm a little bit confused. Actually, I'm using liquid lipstick for my eyes. And now I'm a little scary about it. Now I'm taking this color because my dress will be go with this, and I'm just doing this because it's gradient. Now we'll apply on my eyelid. I'm really scary because if it turns wrong, then I have to keep my mouth shut. And now with a brush, I will just blend it because I have to walk really fast as it is liquid lipstick, so it will just don't worry. Everything will be fine. I'm dragging it towards outward, okay? And with the wiping motion, I'm just defining the crease. And dragging it towards outward. I'm really scared. I don't know how it will turn out, but I'm really scared. So now, I'm adding my brush. Yeah. With the help of this bronzer, I'm taking this bronzer color and I'm just making the crease and blending it properly. Just in a wiping motion. Again, I'm taking this bronzy shade and just okay, don't worry, everything will be okay and fine. Again, I'm taking the lipstick. Okay, with the same brush, I'm just rubbing everything into everything. again taking the same bronzer, dabbing the excess, putting it so that it just blends really well. And seriously, Real Technique brushes are really amazing. I'm blending with this brush, it is working so good, but with the other one, no, not working that good. Now at the center I'm applying this from Swiss Beauty. I don't know what is the name. 03 Champagne. And I'm just applying at the middle. And same. One more thing, lipstick left. Okay, okay. Okay, after applying false lashes and dress, I will come back. So here I am with my final look. Hope you like my video, like this tutorial. If you like it, please give it a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Bye bye.